Whereas today, I'm a little bit tired, I must admit. We've gone not far from home to Navarcles. Last Friday was Studio, but this Wednesday, because this week we have luckily we have a holiday on Friday, so gone off to Navarcles to do Els Senders de Navarcles, which is a pedalada popular that they do every single year. And here I am. We are this group of gentlemen, very spring chickens, 67, Ricard's like 38, Ramon's 27, Andrea was 28, Juan is...
Millor dia, avui el millor dia.
El millor dia.
Com sempre, el millor dia.
And my friend Santi. But yeah, it was a crazy up and down, up and down. In Catalan they call it trencacames, which is like breaking your legs. Basically we've gone up, down, up, down, up, down. We did about 40 Ks, and I think we've done about, how many meters of desnivel? 1,200 meters of positive climbing, not bad. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now it's time for us to have some dinner. We've got some canelons here. We've got some chickpeas with spinach and cansalada. Jo. Canelon, aquí, Joan, això és el teu. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we're going to enjoy lunch. Bye for now. Well, so far a lot of climbing. Maybe we've done 450 meters of climbing in the first 9 kilometers. No, aquí no hay molta, no hi ha moltes ceps aquí. No vingueu a buscar-les aquí. But now we're climbing, we're continuing to climb, and there's lots of flowy, nice climbing to do here. You can see it's quite wet. The conditions are pretty wet here this time of year, and you can see it's very green and lush. And yeah, lovely day for mountain biking. So let's go. Hostia puta, tío. So, a bit of a drama. Diumenge hi havia la cursa o la ruta dels Senders de Navarcles 2025 i estem aquí el dimecres, 2 dies després, i han fet una retallada que no veies, i hem anat allunyant de la ruta per agafar pista per esquivar tota mena de corriols que estan tallades per arbres caigudes. Ara estem tornant de nou per pista, una mica de flow, bueno, el corriolet aquesta single track aquí per empalmar de nou amb la ruta. Som-hi! Tommy, let's go, motherfuckers! Maco, això, mira, la terra està guapíssima. Sí, sí. Com mola. Puja. Uf. Això muscular. Tela. So they're cutting the forest and this is what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. Like a beautiful garden. I'm not a fan, but hey, fires are fires. Ara intento pillar Joan perquè és un conill i fa les traçades perfectes i ara soc una mica més gordo, no diem, fornit.
Per la pujada.
Però ja he pujat sense peus, eh?
Home, estic figurat.
Hòstia,
Estic
cansat ara. Uf.
Abans de fer el forat.
Bueno, és trencacames això. Pim-pam, pim-pam, pim-pam. Time to go down. Let's see if I can follow Joan. Crazy fucker is fast. Yeah. Woo. Oh, chulo, chulo. Flow, flow, flow. Una barraca, un edifici antic dels camps on guardaven material i esmorzaven i dinaven mentre feia calor al migdia, perquè tot això era... Sí, no, perquè tot això era vinyes, vinyes, fa... Sí, fa 400 anys. Ara estem pujant tot pedra, però m'agrada. Una mica de pujada tècnica, però amb aquestes bicis elèctriques gairebé cap problema. Estic sí, correcte, però puja i baixa, puja i baixa. Yeah, to the left is the monastery of Saint Benet, a very beautiful old building that's been converted into a hotel and a museum. Lovely. And here we are, Navarcles, the knoll.